Hey guys, it's another video. It's obviously a little bit different. As you can tell, right now I'm outside the house for change because I'm currently on my way. It's not the best weather. Typically we've had beautiful weather all week. Now the one day of the week I actually decided to go out and have some fun, it's pouring it down. But I'm currently on my way to the Leeds Wool Fest at Armley Mills. So sorry if he was kicking in. I'm not sure whether I'll be able to record there or not, so yeah, if I can't record in there I might just take some pictures and add them into the vlog. So hopefully I'll be seeing you again. So I'm getting out of breath already. Hopefully I'll be seeing you at Armley Mills, but if not I'll be back at home. So I'll see you soon. Hey guys, I just got back from Wool Fest. Went really well because I was really busy. And I managed to get some footage when I was walking around, but it was quite hard to negotiate between people, so the camera keeps bobbing up and down a lot. I apologise because I was trying to focus where I was going, trying not to run into people. So I've spent quite a fair amount of money today. As an estimate, I'll probably say I think over £200 just today because I went to the bank yesterday afternoon to withdraw some money and it's all gone. So I'm going to show you now what I bought, and I give all the ladies who were there and sold me this yarn a little shout out as well. So here we are for the little yarn haul. So at the front, these are the first yarns that I bought today. It's from, my hair's in the way. It's from Rhapsody Yarns. So, hang on, let me just sort my hair out. It's getting in the way of the camera. Can't have that. So here we have Contrary. There's Shall Wear Midnight. I love the sparkles. I don't know if you can see the sparkles in this one. Some little sparkles. And we have Almost Sunset, because I love the colours in these, and it goes from yellows to blues to purples and pinks and greens. So those are the first ones I bought. Come to these three. These are from Baby Long Legs. And here we have Radiance Iron. So it's got the price on there. And obviously they do cost a lot more because it's all hand dyed. I have Flump Merino Sock and oh, I don't know what that second word says. Anyway, you asked it, I guess, so how to pronounce that. And we have Knitting Goddess. I love this sort of yarn. I love these. I've actually got another skein of this particular colour. You can see all different colours there. So I have got another one of those which I still haven't used. So I have Sweet Pea. I'm going to print it in colour wheel. So that's one I've already got. And I'm going to take 5 Violet to Pink, because I just love those colours. So these out the way. And these 4, because I love the colours in these ones as well. So from All the Wool That Ends Wool. Love that pun. Because I know these two are very similar. They might look the same, but this one has little sparkles in it. I don't know if you can see it. So that's that one. This is this one. This one's called Glow Sticks. So I just love all the neon colours in that one. That looks awesome, I think. It's Midsummer Night's Dream. I think that's quite similar to the glow sticks, but with sparkles. I have Groovy Reptile. I just got that one because I love the colours. Because now when I first saw this one, I thought this has got to be some sort of galaxy theme. Starlight Express. I was right. But I just love the colours in this one the most, because that one's definitely my favourite. As soon as I saw that one, I already picked these 3 out. I just thought, sod it, gotta get that one as well. These are the last 2 I bought. These I'm going to be using, I'm going to be keeping these for myself, because these are just my colours. I have one from Ovis Yarns. It's gone blurry. Some Seaforth Sunset. I'll call that one some sort of fiery thing. This one got flames. You see he's got all like yellows and oranges and reds. So that is my yarn haul from Leeds Wool Fest. Now I just need to figure out where to put it all because I don't have any room in my stock. So that's it for today, and I'll see you guys some other time. Bye bye.